everyday English podcast. Speak English fluently.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English Fluently, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun.
Today is day 2 of our 21-day challenge. So if this is your first time with us, we're training your speaking muscles a little more every single day.
And remember the rule. You are not allowed to just listen today.
You have to shadow practice with us. Every sentence, you repeat it out loud, right after we say it.
Not in your head. Out loud with your real voice. That's the only way this works.
More than 90% of people who watch our videos never subscribe. If you want to keep your streak alive for all 21 days, subscribe now and stay with us.
Today, we have a topic everyone can talk about because it's part of who we are.
We're learning how to talk about your personality in English.
This is useful because people ask this all the time. What are you like? How would you describe yourself?
And if you can answer naturally, you'll feel more confident in conversations, interviews, and meeting new people.
Before we start, here's a question for you to think about while we practice.
Before we start, here's a question for you to think about while we practice.
Keep that question in your mind. We'll come back to it at the end, and by then, you'll have new words to choose from.
Let's warm up your mouth first. Repeat after me with energy. I speak with confidence. I describe myself clearly. My personality is unique.
Great. Maya, let me ask you something. If someone met you for the first time, how do you think they'd describe you?
I think many people would say I'm optimistic because I usually expect things to work out.
I'd agree with that. You don't get discouraged easily.
Now it's your turn to shadow that. Repeat this sentence with me. I'm optimistic, so I usually expect things to work out. Again with more energy. Excellent.
Maya, what about the opposite? Do you know anyone who's pessimistic?
A pessimistic person often expects negative results before anything has even happened. Most people are somewhere between the two.
Let's shadow both words together. Repeat. Some people are optimistic. Some people are pessimistic. Most of us are somewhere in between. Again, faster this time. Nice work.
Lucas, how would you describe your own personality?
I think I'm reliable. If I promise to do something, I do it.
That's a great quality. Let's shadow that pattern. Repeat after me. I'm reliable, so my friends know they can count on me. Again with clear pronunciation. Great job.
What about you, Maya? Would you say you're independent?
I try to be. I like making my own decisions, but that doesn't mean I refuse help.
Let's shadow that one too. I'm independent, but I still ask for help when I need it. One more time, louder. Perfect.
Here's something important before we continue. Many learners think personality means only positive qualities.
But that's not true. Personality includes both strengths and weaknesses, because everyone has both.
For example, someone can be confident, but sometimes impatient. Someone else can be kind, but a little shy.
Instead of saying, I'm perfect, native speakers say something like, I'm friendly, but I can be a little stubborn sometimes.
Let's shadow that honest pattern. Repeat with me. I'm friendly, but I can be a little stubborn sometimes. Again. Excellent, that sounded very natural.
Now let's clear up something many learners mix up. Personality and mood are not the same thing.
Your personality is who you generally are over a long time. Your mood is how you feel today, in this moment.
For example, you might have a cheerful personality, but feel tired today.
Let's shadow that distinction. Repeat after me. My personality stays the same, but my mood changes day to day. Again with natural rhythm. Great work!
Let's practice one more word. Open-minded. Someone who listens to different ideas instead of rejecting them right away.
Listen first. I try to be open-minded when I meet people from different cultures.
Now you. Say it out loud. Amazing.
Now let's imagine a real conversation. Someone asks you, "Can you tell me a little about yourself?"
A lot of learners only talk about their job. But people also want to hear about your personality.
Listen to this full answer. I'm a friendly person, but I'm a little shy when I meet new people. I'm also curious, so I love learning about different cultures.
Notice it's short. 2 or 3 sentences is enough. You don't need a 5-minute speech.
Let's shadow that full answer together, piece by piece. Repeat after me. I'm a friendly person, but I'm a little shy when I meet new people. Now the next part. I'm also curious, so I love learning about different cultures. Now put it all together, out loud, in your own voice. Fantastic. That's a real, natural self-introduction.
Let's quickly review today's words before your final challenge. Repeat each one after me with energy. Reliable. Optimistic. Independent. Open-minded. Confident.
Now remember the question from the beginning. If someone asked you to describe your personality in 3 words, what would you say now?
Your challenge. Say your 3 words out loud right now. Then add 1 short example for each, just like we practiced.
Take your time. Pause the video if you need to, but say it out loud before you continue.
Well done. That's real speaking practice, not just watching.
If you completed today's shadow practice, comment, "Day 2 done," and share your 3 personality words with us.
We read every comment, and we love following your progress.
If this helped you, subscribe, like this video, and come back tomorrow for day 3.
Keep speaking,
Keep smiling.
and keep training those speaking muscles.
See you tomorrow. Happy English learning.